Hey guys, today I'll be checking out these outdoor spotlights that I just received for viewing purposes. You can use them with a spike or just mounting upon the base, and they are outdoors and IP66 waterproof, which I think that it's really nice. You also get all the instructions on how to install it, which I think that it's really nice. And well, let's see what we come. Okay, we have the remote control, some of the stakes, the cable. Okay, that it's really nice. Okay, it's quite large cable, which I think that it's nice because that way we can place it around a large space. More stakes, some of the mounting bases that we can use if we want to solder that up on the wall. The main units, as you can see, they come really well protected. It's a set of 4, which I think that it's nice, and this is it. As you can see, they are quite nice. Okay, just need to wire them to set them ready. Okay, as you can see, we have the wires right here, and we have the connections in here. Okay, which I think that they are really nice. We also have these setting that's where we're gonna set up and how we're gonna control them. Which I think that it's really nice and it can be really helpful. And what I like about it is that we can just have it around and place upon the wall. So it comes with these groups, you can just install it and it will be ready and at hand, which I think that it's really nice. Then you just have to plug it in into the electrical outlet and the lights will be working, which I think that it's great. Okay, so let me go ahead and read the user manual and installation manual on how to install it, and let's test it out. I'll be installing it outdoors upon my house and let's see how they look. Come on. Setting them up, it's really simple, and what I like about it is that we can have 2 different installation methods. As I've said, we can install it in the ground with the ground stakes mount, or remove the stakes for a wall mount option, which I think that is nice, and we can angle them to deliver the light however we want. And we don't need no extra tool to do this installation, as everything comes already with the box. The spotlight casing is made from a aluminum material that has a nice heat dissipation functions, which it will allow us to use these lights for a long period of time, and with their IP66 waterproof rated, we can use them in any kind of ambient, like it's raining, if there's snow, we will still be able to use the lights all year long. I like that we can choose different modes of lighting with the transformer. We can choose if we want a dusk-to-dawn mode and 24-hour mode that will turn off automatically, or a timer from 2 up to 6 hours, and it even has a memory function, so that way each of the lights that you have set it up, that will remember the last mode that you set them up or use them with. And with this light we have 3 different color changing modes, 10 static colors with 6 level of brightness adjustments, and 20 different dynamic modes. They are placed with a 45-degree beam angle, and they are adjustable with a 270-degree movement angle. So as you can see, they are already installed. We have many different modes that we can change into. It has different changeable modes. We can change the colors and everything like that, have it however we like. We can just set up a solid color and leave it like that, which I think that it's really nice. And we can also dim them down, and I think that's nice because it can set up for any kind of ambient that you want, like for example like this, and you can set the perfect ambient for a party, any kind of holiday. In this case, I just placed 2 at these sides so we can look and how it looks, and I think that it gives a really nice lighting to whenever that you want to install them. As I've said, as you can see, it was really easy to install them. It doesn't take that much long, which I think that it's great, and the wiring is really easily. As I've said, you can place more than 1 if you want, or set them however you like them. Overall, I think that they are nice. I like a lot that you can set it up for up to 8 hours of continuous use, so that they can actually just turn off, or just set them up for a dusk-to-dawn mode, which I think that it's great. Makes them a really versatile option, and overall I think they are really nice, and I will really recommend them.